Okay.
Morning, right? Morning. So, this safe start meeting covers the hazards, some ways to control noise and types of hearing protection. Well, noise is and hearing loss is a common occupational health hazard. There is no satisfactory treatment for noise and hearing noise. So basically it means when you're deaf, you're just staying deaf. So what are the hazards? So compressors, breakers, circular saw, we're using some hammer drills, vibrating rollers, excavators, angle grinders, and many other common pieces of equipment just used in the construction can generate potentially harmful level of noise. So even if you're not using the noisy piece of equipment, you can be affected by someone just using it, so close by. And the exposure to high level of noise will cause hearing damage in a shorter time and then lower noise levels. So just always remember to protect your hearing after work as well. For example, in noisy places anywhere. So just at work, just always you use hearing protection. Alright. So ringing in the ears or muffled hearing is excessive exposure to high levels of noise. So basically, how can we control the noise? So the first thing is just keep as far away from noise sources as possible. Do not stand next to someone using some breakers, hammer drills, always use hearing protection. And the second one, use some quieter equipment and work method wherever you can. Just, for example, some noise reducing saw blades will significantly reduce the noise, for example, for some circular saws. The next one, don't leave some machinery running unnecessarily, and avoid exposing others to the noise. Therefore, if possible, keep the noise source and the work areas just separate. The next one, if possible, shield noisy processes. So work behind sound absorbing materials, if possible. The sixth one, so wear hearing protection when you are instructed to do so. Alright, so the hearing protection, what types of hearing protection? So just number one, earplugs and ear defenders. They just need to be selected carefully. If they're too effective, you may not be aware of things going on around you, such as some plant movement, and that can be also dangerous. So the second one, ensure reusable. Alright, so number three. So just if you're using disposable earplugs, make sure just you insert them correctly. So just insert them by rolling them up and inserting them into your ear while pulling the top of your ear just upwards to open up the ear canal. The fourth one, just always insert earplugs with clean hands and just dispose the earplugs after each shift, just throw them away. The ear defenders and the reusable earplugs, they should be cleaned regularly. The sixth one, if your defenders are used with a headband just around the neck, the fabric head strap must be used. So just the next one, just inspect your ear defenders regularly. When the seals become worn, get them just replaced or throw them away. Okay, just a few points and we're done. So if you have problems wearing earplugs or just ear defenders, such as significant discomfort, so just you need to report this to the supervisor or manager. Just never wear earphones and ear defenders. It's the last point. You should never wear earphones in any case. So that's it for now. Thanks.
Thank you.